To clean a tower fan, first turn the fan off and unplug it. Then, use a vacuum with a hose attachment to suck up any debris and dust trapped in the grill of the fan. Vacuum the vents on the back of the fan too. Next, blow some compressed air into the grill to dislodge any stubborn dust trapped in the frame. Turn the fan on to blow out the dust you dislodged. To clean your fan's filter, first open the hatch or unscrew the back of the fan to access the filter. Then, remove the filter and bring it outside since cleaning the filter can get messy. Use a can of compressed air to blow any dirt and dust off of the filter. Then, vacuum the filter with a hose attachment to pull up any deeper layers of dust. Finally, rinse the filter under running water to wash off any remaining dirt and dust, and let it air dry before reinstalling it.